a sorry heart with your favorite finger. Paint the whole world blue and stop your tears from stinging. Hear the cavemen singing.